Welcome back to Clooney Garage. It's Fred here. It's an Anzac Day long weekend, and we are going to get this engine bay ready for painting. Let's go. Duck's guts. G'day YouTube. Well, we're back into it. We're watching a bit of Bathurst on TV, getting inspired. We're getting a whole lot of our paints made up. Oh, look at this. Mobil 1 blue. Stop it. Here we go. Won't be looking anything like that yellow pineapple. But anyway, we are into the VP. We're getting so motivated to get this build done. Our engine is out, as you've seen in a previous episode. So now we've got the whole front end to look into. So I'm going to give you guys a really close look at what we've been doing here. So preparing all the strut towers, the battery box, clean all that out. The inside of the rails here, up near the steering rack. All the radiator front support, tidying up onto the passenger side. And then obviously getting our wire loom out through that little rabbit hole there. Clean up our plenum area. Redirect a whole bunch of stuff. And then change our master cylinder on our brake booster as well. We're not going to change our brake lines. We're going to leave them in and tape them up. But we are going to get this whole engine bay prepped. So just wanted to give you a bit of a before shot here so you can sort of see what we're up against. A very tidy engine bay, just quietly. So previous owner, absolute credit to her. Only used on family grocery runs and all that sort of stuff. So happy days. So I may have mentioned on previous videos that we are going to get it properly done with you know, our spray gun and all the rest of it. We've actually got our Alaskan white ready to go and our Mobil 1 blues and all that sort of stuff. But for fiddly bits like the engine bay, we don't have to load the gun up and then redo, you know, nozzles and all this sort of stuff. So I went and got some professionally made up Mobil 1 blue, that's the code, cans here. And obviously I'm going to do a bit of thick primer filler first. Hopefully that should do it, because we're actually going to obviously scuff up all the gloss that's in there at the moment, and then just put one layer of primer on, and then we'll get stuck into our Mobil 1 blue. But let me share with you what else we've been doing, because at the front of the car we've got the headlights off, getting wrapped, getting all stickered up, and then we've got our front crash bar. So this has now got a extra bit of top coat on it. I'm going to keep going on that, and we don't know whether or not Brock's was black or white, so we're going to go with white, given the underneath the bumper bar is going to be white anyways. So that's just the first coat on. Let that flash off and we'll keep going. Now for you eagle-eye viewers that always spot stuff in the background here at the shed, have a look at this. Beautiful looking Mirage. Look at this paintwork. Oh my God. Luddenham contestant and doing 1 minute flat laps. Oh geez, driving the wheels off this little thing. And check out our latest video for our lap times. And we're about 4 seconds off the Mighty Car Mods guys in their brand new Golf and also the Yaris. So not too bad for a poor old $500 car. It's starting to get a bit dark here at Clooney Garage. Luckily we've got some fluorescent lights on. Yoo! Anyway, we've been working away, beavering, sanding, scrubbing, cleaning this little baby up. Because Fred Jr.'s birthday. So big happy birthday to Fred Jr. He's turning 18, and he's been helping me on this side here. Look at the work he's been doing. Mum's dish rag, and he's been getting a bit of wet and dry going. I've been doing that side. I think you can guess which side's better. Oh, I think he's doing all right. Now we're going to get the rest of this prepared tonight. We're going to get it all taped up, and then we paint tomorrow. And happy days. So in terms of Fred Jr.'s birthday present, he's put a little order in for some VL Group A SS Walkinshaw wheels. So they're going to turn up here hopefully early next week, and they're going to be gloss black. Got them from reproduction wheels. They're the only ones we get in an 18 with the right style, and then we'll get them powder coated in the right Alaskan white and make our little VP look like a Brock race car. Get there. Well, it's another day here at Clooney Garage, and we're back into it, and our beautiful looking crash bar has come up a treat with this beautiful clear acrylic on top. Look at this, very nice, very nice. And then we've got the engine bay. Worked really hard last night getting all the last bits of grease and muck off the engine bay using old mum's dish rag. And now we are just about ready to wax and grease and tack rag the whole lot. And wrap it all up, tape all our bits up, start painting. Let's go. Okie dokie, so we're all taped up here at Clooney Garage. And we're going to get a bit of etch primer on that bit there, because where the power steering has been leaking, she's all the way through to bare metal. So a bit of etch primer on that. But we'll do standard sort of high fill primer on the rest of it. Look at my taping up job here. Reading the paper as I'm going, that's good fun. And yeah, so Mobil 1 blue, followed by our Alaskan white, obviously for the rest of the car. But let's focus on the Mobil 1 blue to start with in this engine bay. And this is the before shot. Alright, so things are getting a bit serious here at Clooney Garage. Have a look at this. She's all done up in primer, high fill. Look at it. Getting all the detail done. Tell you what, primer hides a lot of sins, just quietly. So we've been managed to get all our little buffs and scratches out. Have a look all at the front here. Very nice. Very nice. Now some real tricky bits around the plenum here, so I've had to do as best I can to get in there. I missed a bit obviously there, so we'll get on to that. And tell you what, we're going to wait another probably half an hour until this primer finally settles. Give it a sander 6-800, smooth it all off, and then we'll be on for the Mobil 1. Look out, it'll look like a race car. We've just got our Mobil 1 blue paint on. Have a go at it. It's a touch lighter than what I thought it would be from looking at other videos around, but you'll actually find that we've matched the Mobil 1 blue paint code to the corporate colours. So this is what it is. And it's drying off here at the moment. You have a close look at it. And we'll obviously get some clear on that, but that's 2 coats. So we will keep going here at Clooney Garage, and I reckon it's looking the business. It'll be very nice with a big 304 sitting in the middle there. Alright, so we're done. Check this out, everyone. A Mobil blue engine bay. Oh, look at this. A bit of clear on top as well. That's good fun putting on with a can, not with a gun. But that's actually looking pretty good. I'm happy with that. And all our taping up seems to have worked well. I'm not too worried about the overspray on the K-frame because that's coming out, as is the sway bar. So I was using them as little steps to get in there and paint all the intricate bits. Going to change our brake booster out as well, and our master cylinder when we upgrade to a V8 one. Now, interesting little spot here. That's the original sort of overflow bottle and the water squirter washer. On the V8s, on the race cars, they actually don't have this bit. So we're just going to snip this little bit off here. This is the original, you know, owner's overflow. So we're actually going to try and recondition that and put some boiling water in it. And I mean, it's not going to become clear again, but try and restore it a little bit and then install it back in. Put our fuse box back in. I'm just trying to think what else we do until the engine gets here. Not a whole lot more, but it's been good fun and we're loving the look of this. We'll give you an update on the interior of the car. It's not so pretty. Oh geez, Fred, you got a lot of work to do here. Look at this. But bit by bit, you just got to keep chipping away and doing things. And we think this looks beautiful. Now, if it looks a touch lighter than sort of, you know, the Mobil that you're used to, this is actually the Mobil blue corporate paint code that we use. We colour matched it perfectly. So it actually has got that, well, it looks pretty good here with the lights and stuff and a bit of daylight, but it's quite a vivid blue. Original Holden dealer team, Mobil 1. And in the 93 car, the engine bay and the interior were all blue, and then they went back to white in the 94 car from all the footage that we've seen. So we obviously wanted ours to be as close to the original as we could get. Alright, getting very close to wrapping up here at Clooney Garage. The crash bar is now on, and our VP is looking the business. I'm going to do a before and after shot, obviously. Put that on the thumbnail for you all. And hope you enjoyed today's episode. More content coming. The wheels will be here this week. Happy days, we're going to paint them up. And this thing is getting built. You betcha.